Hello and thanks for tuning in. I'm Philip, the product manager at Congree, and I'm going to show you the Congree integration into AuthorIt. Congree is an electronic style guide integration into editing environments like AuthorIt. You will be able to check spelling, grammar, style, and terminology in real time while creating text. This is especially helpful for style and terminology, since Congree allows you to use your own style rules and terminology in the background, resulting in a highly customized and adapted authoring experience. With an electronic style guide, you can ensure that all rules are considered without having to know all of them by heart or constantly having to look them up manually. Congree acts as a constant reminder, always there to help, ensuring nothing you write goes against company requirements. This is of course a huge time saver when you have to write rule-based texts. Okay, so I think you get a general idea. Let's have a look at how this all works in AuthorIt. First of all, what I want to do is open a book or a topic as I always do before editing. Now you will notice that there is an additional panel available to the left. This is my electronic style guide, which will interact with everything I do. Whenever I click on text, my style guide immediately reacts and shows me all violations it might encounter. This also works on the fly while I create new text. Or I can simply check an entire topic. I can move through all notifications and decide what I would like to do next. I can either apply proposals in the entire document, correct my text manually, which will instantly lead to a recheck by Congree, or disagree with any notification or groups of notifications. Everything I do will have an effect on my progress indicator, showing me how much still has to be done to reach an acceptable quality level. Let's have a closer look at terminology, since terminology issues can have a huge impact on document readability and consistency. That is why Congree dedicated an entire additional panel for an automatic terminology research. Here we can see a lot of useful additional information available in the on-site terminology database. In this example, we see a definition which gives us a better understanding of how and where we could use this term and whether a correction is actually necessary in the current situation. You might still be in progress of building up your term database. Here Congree can be used to support. Via the Term Candidates panel, we collect all words and expressions that might be considered technical names. The author can then have a closer look and process the findings. I can add additional words, whether they exist in the document, or whether they are just in my mind. I can send certain term candidates that have been found, or edit their context, or simply send everything. Now the terminologist can have a closer look at those term candidates and decide whether they should be released or not. As you can see, it has never been easier to ensure all documentation follows a predefined style guide and follows the company's own terminology rules while creating text in AuthorIt. I hope you enjoyed this little overview and feel free to contact us should you have any additional questions. Also check out our detail videos if you would like to know more about the features we provide. Thank you and goodbye.